So let's go through one of the exercises together. It says over here in exercise 6, a consumer group decides to test the effectiveness of a new organic laundry detergent. They intentionally get grass stains on a sample of 60 white t-shirts in order to see how well the detergent will clean them. Each shirt is randomly assigned to one of the three water temperatures, cold, warm, or hot, and one of two wash cycles, regular or delicate. The level of cleaning for each shirt is recorded and a scale from 1 to 10. The person evaluating the cleaning level is unaware of the treatment used on the shirt. The average cleaning level for each treatment group is calculated. So what is the response variable? What are we trying to figure out? Well, our response variable is the cleanliness, which is on a scale from 1 to 10. What are our explanatory variables? Well, we want to see how the water temperature and the wash cycles affect how clean our shirt is. For the water temperatures, we have three different levels. We have cold, warm, or hot water. For the wash cycles, we have two levels, which are regular or delicate. Now, when we're looking at the number of treatments, this would be our 6 different treatments that we have. Either we have cold and regular, we could have cold and delicate, we could have warm and regular, warm and delicate, and then we can have hot and regular, and hot and delicate. These are all combinations, so those make up our different treatments, or the number of treatments, which are 6. The experimental units are our loads of laundry. Now later on, when we observe the outcome, our observational units are actually the t-shirts that we're actually looking at. So this is a little tricky because we actually have the experimental unit that are the loads, but then we are looking at the t-shirts individually. The average cleaning level recorded is a statistic over here because it is looking at our sample and looking at the outcome for our sample. Why do you think is blinding used in the study? So again, this was where the person evaluating did not know the treatment that was applied. And again, blinding is very important because we want to make sure that the fact or the different treatments don't affect the way a person evaluates it. So this is important, especially when we're looking at cleanliness on a scale from 1 to 10, which is kind of subjective and not objective. So very important to use blinding in order to reduce bias.